We have a Japanese import 218i. Then after flush the Apple CarPlay, so there's Japanese import, then you can unlock the Apple CarPlay. But after you unlock the Apple CarPlay, you still cannot connect it, because you need to put an antenna behind this car, behind this head unit. Okay, you need to, this one was like up there, so you pull it down, you move the screws 1, 2, and then you remove this, and to reveal the another 2 screws behind, so this one and another one here, and then you can pull out the head units. Let me turn it off first. Okay, you can pull out the head units, but before that let me disconnect this thing. I see there's no one doing a YouTube video on how to remove the head unit from a 218i. So, and then you pull this thing out. You see at the back of this thing, it needs this cable. This cable, the blue one. On sorry, I just need to focus this thing. This blue cable, but it's on a purple plug, on a purple connection. Let me remove it. So you need this. You can buy it from eBay. Just search it online. It's this Bluetooth antenna. You need this antenna, or otherwise, even you got Apple CarPlay connection, but you still can't connect your cell phone in there. But at the back you'll see this purple thingy, this purple thingy here. So you just connect this thing, connect the antenna to that until you hear the click, and yeah, that's it. Reinstall everything, then you can use your Apple CarPlay. Thank you. Cheers.